Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a haul video. But first I'm going to start off here and then I'm going to move. The other day I did a pocket letter and I was live working on it and I was using the doodle bug design down on the farm and I said I'd love to find a 12 by 12 paper pad of this that I wonder if I still could. So I went to scrapbooking.com because I already have the 6x6. I had the die cuts, I had the stickers, I had the little doodle pops and the washi tape. And I'm like, I would love to see if I could find a 12 by 12. So I went on to scrapbookers.com and ta-da! Well, I found it. And plus, it was all on sale. So I ended up getting a little more than I had planned on. So I'm here. Let's share. Woohoo! So let's check this out, shall we? I plan on doing an album for myself of this. Because I like cows. One of my favorite animals. It is actually my favorite animal. So we get some little die cuts. Little pocket. You're so sweet. What's moo? Happy birthday. Hey there. Thank you, dairy much, sorry. Farm animals. Hello, sunshine. Thinking of you. How's it growing? Sorry, it's past your birthday. Country, hayride, farm, piggies, moo. Holy cow, family, bah. Green vegetables, ew. Farmer, cock-a-doodle-doo. Rise and shine. Petting zoo, fresh air, sunny, oink. Farm, rise and shine. It's a beautiful day on the farm. Barnyard, country, adventure, and then borders. So that's cool. And then we have pockets. It is double-sided. Like the tablecloth. Love this. Love this. So it's basically probably the same paper as in the 12 by 12 or the 6 by 6. The horses and the brown. Oh, look at these little journal cards. Oh my god. Love the cow. And then the black and checkered. The hankies. The little piggies. Oh no, this one's new. It's blue with the same scenery. Maybe. Nope. I thought it was the same scenery. But there's all the animals. And then on this side is stripes. Pretty. The green farm barn look. The pretty flowers. Honeycomb. Chickens. This is like the little thing. Each little. The pig, the vegetables, the sheep, sweet home, the checkered, the bandanas, the flowers, the chickens, the horse, the pink, the ribbons, and the cow. And then the farm scenery on the back side. Love it. And then the flowers, and the sheep, the cow print, and my favorite, the cows. So that was cool. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Plus, I'll cut them out as well. I try not to waste anything, so I'm going to stick that in there. Oh. And then look at all these little images you can cut and use as well. Then let's get in this one. Now, that 12 by 12 paper pad, oh, the prices aren't on here. But I know that my whole total was like $45. Then I bought a few extra of the cows that I liked. I think I got 2. Oh no, I got 3. Okay. Oh no, I got 4. Ooh, I got 4 of them. Cool. So I got 4 extra of the cows because the cow is my main thing. I love the cows, so that's too cool. And then got the checkered, and I think this is the down on the farm I like. Oh, the journal cards. I bought extra journal cards. So I got that. Then I grabbed, I thought the paper clips were cute. You get a cow, a barn, a pig, and a horse. Normally I would buy these, but they were on sale, so I grabbed them. And then this was a new thing that they had, because I have the die cuts already. Down on the farm, the die cuts. This is what's in that package. Now it's hard to see. Here, let's get that. Oops. I'm gonna lose them. Get in there. Get back in there. So that's what's in it. 90 pieces of that in the die cut. So I already had that. And I had all the little doodle pops, so I didn't get them. Oops. Hang on. So I grabbed this 94 piece. And, ooh, it was like on the farm, barnyard, farm. Thank you, dairy much, sweet. My farm, sweet farm. Thinking of you. Happy birthday to Moo. Home, sweet home. You're so sweet. How's it going from all of us? You're my sunshine. You will we always be friends. Have a heyday. Haha. Country fair. Hogs and Chris's. Country boy. Farm fresh. Petting zoo. I don't get that one. Sweet country girl. Just you. Hello sunshine. A little banner. I ruffle you. Make a wish. I mean, it's all the little cute little sayings. So I grabbed that as well. $94 pieces. And I ripped the bag already. Damn it. There's that one. That packaging rips. Now I'll fix it later. And scrapbooking.com has this thing now. When you have an order, you get a free gift. And that particular day that I ordered this, okay, hang on, let me put them back. I don't want to lose them all. Let's pick that up real quick. This is how I will fix this package. Little scotch tape going up the side. I'm going to bend it over. There we go. Do it one more time. There we go. And then we'll close it. Okay. So, on scrapbooking.com right now, when you order, you get a free gift. And this particular day that I ordered, it was a Simple Stories paper pad. So let's check this out. So we got Hello Summer. That's cool. Oh, it's double-sided. Little polka dot. Oh, summer one. That's pretty. Waves. Sun. Some are cute. Little zigzag. Look on the bright side. Cute. Little flowery. Sunglasses. Flowers. Polka dots. I like that. With the wood grain. That's cool. Hearts. Summer fun. Flowers. Pineapple. Strawberries. A little minty green. Rainbows. Checkered. Oh, look at it. You can cut these out. Lemonade, sunglasses, flip-flops, ice cream, watermelon, happy days, pool days. Get that sticker off there. It's going to drive me crazy. And the polka dots. Oh, I like this one. The flowers. Little orange polka dots. The little journal cards. Good vibes. You are awesome. Love your sunny smile. You are sweet. Flowers. More little journal cards. Let's flamingo. Look on the sunny side. Oh, happy day. Shine bright. Stripes. Hello, summer. Oh, so you get 2 of each. Well, that's cool. So that was my freebie. That's a good night. That's a nice little paper pad. It's made by Simply Stories. 24 double-sided sheets include 4 designs. 3x4 greeting card. Oh, so it's like used for greeting card, but I won't. So that is my scrapbooking.com haul. Like I was excited when I went in and I actually found the 12x12. I was really happy with that. And then the $1 a piece for these, I think it was, something like that. It's all in here together. So I'm going to be doing me an album or a drill using all this. So look for that in a future video. Okay, so that was my order. And now I got the whole collection. I have to really like something to buy the whole collection. So now I'll be working into a future project, guys. I can't wait. And I got this ring. This is how I store this, guys. So I don't lose everything and everything's together. I got it on this ring. And I keep it all together. So I'm actually not going to keep it on the ring anymore. I am going to. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. They're only $1, of course, duh. They're very sturdy. I like them. And I'm just going to stick everything in the envelope except for the 12x12. Of course, that's not going to fit. So that it's all in. I may have to bend that. Oh, just turn this up at the top. And get it in there. Might be a little snug, but there we go. There, I got it in there. Oops, that's not going in there. All that's going in there. So then when I go to do the project, it's all in one spot. It's my other farm one. Actually, I got a lot going on here. I'll go through here. See, like this is out of that kit. That's out of there. And I will put it all in one bag. So that, because I don't plan on using any other one that doesn't belong to this kit, this series. Because I got a lot of different cow ones sitting here. And other ones. And all so you can tell the difference. So I won't put them together. I may use like the cow print. But other than that, I won't be using the other. And then I got this off Pinterest, so. But that is my goodies for today. I've been watching and tracking it. And actually, I just ordered this like Thursday, I want to say. So it got here really quick, so I'm very happy that how fast it showed up. Oh, I know I have another paper pad in here. Oh, that. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Look for a future video. It's going to be a few weeks before I start this. I have to finish one of journal that I'm already got started before I do this. And I have to determine how I really want to make it also. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody, and have a pleasant Tuesday.